Contenders first here. Base. Base. Rookie autograph for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicholas Jensen. We've got a rookie gold numbered to 100 for the Boston Bruins, Kevin Miller. Rookie autograph for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Andre Palat. Classic signatures for the Boston Bruins, Joey Juneau. Classic sig for blue. NHL ink for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Andre Palat, because why not? Andre Palat. Hard Contenders number to 499 for the Calgary Flames, Mike Camilleri. NHL ink for the Montreal Canadiens, Gabriel Dumont. Base. Rookie autograph for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jonathan Marchessault. Selke Contenders number to 499 for the Colorado Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Selke Contenders. Rookie autograph for the Florida Panthers, Michael Caruso. Classic signatures for the Hartford Whalers, a.k.a. the Carolina Hurricanes, Ray Ferraro. Norris Contenders number to 499 for the San Jose Sharks, Dan Boyle. And base. All right, now on to the SPA. All right, silver skates for the New York Rangers, Rick Nash. And base, I see we're still not done that last case. Retro for the Kings, Felix Potvin. Future Watch rookie auto to 999 for the New York Rangers, Jesper Fast. Future Watch rookie to 1299 for the Edmonton Oilers, Martin Marincin. We've got a 93-94 retro autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Johnny Toews, 93-94 retro auto for the Hawks. Sweet. Future Watch rookie to 1299 for the Anaheim Ducks, Victor Fost. Premier Prospects for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. Retro for the Penguins, Paul Coffey. Retro for the Hurricanes, Jordan Staal. Base. Retro for the Oilers, Taylor Hall. Silver skates for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Base. Retro for the Devils, Marty Brodeur. Base. Retro for the Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Future Watch rookie to $12.99 for the New York Islanders, Ryan Strome. Base. Future Watch rookie auto to $9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Jack Campbell. Jack Campbell at a $9.99 for the Stars. All right, coming up next, the showcases is